Good morning. It's November 6th, 2022, and the repairs on the trailer begin today. What John has done so far, let me get my shadow out of it, is taken the hot water heater out. We're going to start in the rear here of the trailer, and you can see, I hope, how much water damage we have here in the back. What I'm doing right now while John is running to town, he has this little compartment off, and I start with a tedious job. So I am getting all the excess butyl tape and caulking off this little compartment, and I gotta go all the way around. Alright, we'll get back to you. Well, I got it all pretty good. John says that's good enough. Don't need to be brand new. This really helped, this denatured alcohol. But we got it going pretty good. Now I gotta get started on the other side. Trying to get it before it's done.
Not awfully bad, but they ain't great.
We're taking 2 panels off?
No, but I want to go up high enough to where I can bend this out of the way. That sounds like fresh meat there.
Okay.
Let's see what we can do here. Go nice and easy, because this stuff will stick. What you'll end up doing, if you're not careful, is bending it. And if you bend it, it turns into a world of shit. Alright, well, we're going to pull this out of here and see what we can get done. Got a pair of gloves around here somewhere. Here comes the scary part.
Oh. Alright, bear with me, guys. The sun's coming up behind us, so.
Let's see here. Oh, these rocks are hard on the knees.
I'll have to go get your phone.
Huh?
It's over at my cabin.
Oh, it's over there, yeah. Took this off first, but oh man, really? Oh shit. Well, the good thing is the basin here is in fairly good shape. The board is out in South Dakota somewhere. Here, show them this. No, over in the corner over there.
I did. This is what you get when you buy something from somebody in McAllen, Texas. They can't tell the truth. Yeah, same thing over here.
This is in fairly good shape here. Oh man. Well, we're gonna have to probably take this out all the way up. Shit. Well, RVs, nothing's ever easy. Alright, well, we'll get back to you. Well, as you can see, things are just shits and giggles. So we got a little bit of work to do. This is the bathroom. I gotta find out what's in here. I don't know. Maybe a 2x4 at one time. I gotta redo the plywood. So we'll see what happens, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned. Alright, well, we got a side panel off now. And you can see the barrier is still there. But what it is that it's rotted back here. We'll take this off. Apparently it was a support to hold the bottom of the awning there. And what I'll do is I'm going to take that off, and I might put them back on. I just kind of like that idea. And I'll put one on the front because I know there's not one there. So we figured up everything I need to do to go all the way around. I don't care how good these boards feel. Well, right there, poking my hole through it. So, you know, I don't care how good they feel. I'm replacing every one all the way around this trailer. When it comes to jacking this trailer up, shit's going to get real. But, it is what it is. Fortunately, we've got the good luck to where that water got in underneath here and rotted all the wood underneath this water barrier, but it didn't get into the wood for the building structure. Now these are 1x1.5s here, and I'm going to replace whatever needs to be replaced because I know there's a couple on the corners and stuff because they like to wick the shit up. So I'm going to replace them with 2x2s. And like in here, you know, you got a little bit of Luan paneling and stuff. I don't care about that because I don't think we're going to put the water heater back in here. I think we're going to leave it out, and we're going to go ahead and turn this into a storage compartment. Take that propane line and cut it down and put an end on it. And the water pipes there, what I may do is just go ahead and take them 290s, cut it all loose, take those 290s, flip them up, and put that valve in over there and just leave it. I don't know. We'll work on it, see how it goes. But definitely got my work cut out for it. And hey, we are doing this in the middle of the desert. Isn't it a beautiful day too, except for the wind. Not real impressed with the winds, but a friend of ours had an awning replaced on her trailer, and we're going to take her awning and tape it all the way around here, and kind of help against the wonderful breezes we get out here in Quartzsite. So stay tuned, more to come in this fun and games. Okay, so clean the majority of it out. You can't see up in there very well, but there's a lot of damage. This right here is the bathroom floor vinyl. Yeah, it just keeps getting fucking better. I mean, friggin' better. It just made this not safe for kids. Anyway, all the way down it's cleaned out. And I gotta get it to where I can see what I'm doing in there. Hopefully it'll be alright. Oh, we're the blankest pie town. Huh. Alright, well, stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna remove this panel right here. That's underneath the tub, of course. And see just how bad it really is. First, I was surprised by the things I saw. Now, not so much. Gotta love a Texas flood damaged trailer. That's gonna have to be completely replaced back in there. And up the side there a little bit. I don't know if I can get you in there. Let's see what's underneath here. Another mud dauber's nest. What a shock! Really. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. And I don't know if I'm going to have to remove the tub or not. I'm hoping I don't, but I'm thinking I'm going to probably have to. So stay tuned for that adventure. Alright, we'll get back. Alright, well, now here we are. And it's not looking real pretty. Floor is totally wasted along that edge. You really can't see the curve down. I guess I can't get in here, into there. we'll see what we can get done. Well, we're ready. Alright, so, oh, yeah. Alright, we got her cleaned out a bit. Still the bathroom's looking like a nightmare here. But, yeah, you know. That's the hole you couldn't see because the bathtub was in the way. See a little bit of daylight through there. And there's the electrical underneath there. And, gee, a mud dauber's nest. What a surprise. Anyway, it is what it is. We're going to make it happen.
Go down, we're getting them sick.
So, clean up the floor. Cut up the linoleum so I can see what needs to be replaced. And then put the braces in. Cut the piece of plywood. And start putting it back together. Stay tuned for more fun and games, ladies and gentlemen. Hi. Okay, so what I've done is cut out some linoleum. And you can see the floor is pretty toast. Right back to where the cut is. But unfortunately, over here, it gets a little bit more drastic going back in that way. I've got the board on the outside out, so we'll take a walk out there and take a look at it. And then I'll come in here and cut. Now these center boards here, I've looked at them, and well, I'll show you when I get out there. So hang tight, be right back. And okay, so you can see the bottom of the wall is looking all right, but a little wore out here. But it's actually, I mean, it's water damaged, but it's still fairly solid in there. And in here, as you can see, I've got good wood up to about this point, right in here. So I can scarf some of that back and scab to it. We'll be good to go. So let me get a measurement here and get ready to cut a piece. See how it goes. Okay, as you can see, it's gonna be shits and giggles. Not really bad, no. Yeah, got a little carried away there, but yeah, I'll get in there and straighten that out and start replacing the floor. Scab on where these runners went in here, scab them in, and yeah, tear this insulation out. I'm gonna have to go get some more insulation put in here because this shit's been wet forever. So we'll take care of it and on to the next part. Alright, insulation is in, extenders are in, and I've got my measurements for the piece of wood to go in here, and we are getting ready to cut it, and hopefully everything will go alright putting it in. I tried to tell you one thing, jacking this thing up ain't easy because it don't move, but we're going to try it and see what happens. So alrighty, hang tight and we'll be right back. Alright, so we went and we've got our piece in. Now I got to tear the corner out over here, not bad, and I got a little gap over there. I'm going to spray some of that that's expanding foam in and then trim it off with a steak knife. And then we'll be putting down tile. Now here's the tile we got. We're going to get, it's peel and stick tile, but I believe in using mastic with it anyway, so it should definitely stay down and be down. And we should have her finished up in the next day or two, at least inside. Alright. Okay, so it came out pretty nice. Got the bathtub back in, the tiles in, everything's looking good, cabinets in, sinks in. Yep, wasn't too bad of a deal. Took me a little longer than expected though, but that happens when you dive into something you're not quite sure what you're doing. So thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave a comment if you'd like, tell your friends. Have a good one.